Good morning, everyone. Let's get started with our network setup discussion. Nanda, can you present your proposal?
Good morning, boss. Thank you for your time today. I'll be presenting a simple network diagram for our small office setup.
Can you walk us through the diagram?
Certainly, as you can see, we have a router, switch, client devices, and wireless access point. The router will connect us to the internet, while the switch will manage the flow of data within the office. The wireless access point will provide Wi-Fi connectivity for our employees.
What are the advantages and disadvantages of wired and wireless network?
Wired networks are more secure and reliable. They require cables, which can be limiting. Wireless networks offer more flexibility and convenience, but they can be slower and more vulnerable to interference. However, with proper setup and security measures, wireless networks can be just as reliable as wired networks.
Which one do you recommend for your startup?
Based on our needs, I recommend a combination of both. We can use wired connection for critical systems and wireless for general office use. This will provide a good balance between reliability and flexibility.
How will this affect our budget?
We have estimated the costs, and I believe this setup will be cost effective in the long run. The wired connections will ensure our critical systems are always up, and the wireless network will provide flexibility for our employees. We've also included a detailed breakdown of the costs in our proposal.
What kind of security measures will we have in place?
We have included security measures in our proposal, such as firewalls and encryption. We will also implement regular updates and monitoring to ensure our network is secure. Additionally, we'll have access controls in place to ensure that only authorized personnel can access sensitive areas of the network.
That sounds good. What about scalability? Will this setup be able to grow with our company?
Yes, the setup is designed to be scalable. We can easily add more devices and users as the company grows. We've also included a plan for future upgrades and expansions.
Okay, I think we have a good understanding of the proposal. What's the next step?
We'll finalize the proposal and present it to the board for approval. Once approved, we can begin implementing the network setup.
Alright, let's move forward with the proposal. Thank you, Nanda, for your hard work on this project.
Certainly, boss. Thank you. I'm happy to have been able to contribute to the project.
I'll review the budget and ensure we have sufficient funds allocated. I'll also verify that the costs are aligned with our financial projection.
I'll work with the IT team to ensure a smooth implementation. We'll conduct thorough testing to ensure the network setup meets our requirements.
Great, let's keep each other updated on the progress. Nanda, can you also provide us with a detailed project plan and timeline?
Absolutely, boss. I'll send out a detailed project plan and timeline to everyone by the end of the day. I'll include milestones, deadlines, and resource allocation.
I'll review it and ensure everything is in order. I'll also verify that the project plan aligns with our financial goals.
I'll work with the tax team to prepare for the implementation. We'll ensure that all necessary equipment and software are in place.
Let's make this project a success. I want to ensure that our network setup is secure, efficient, and scalable.
Will do, boss. I'll keep everyone informed and ensure the project stays on track. I'll also conduct regular progress meetings to address any issues.
I'll monitor the expenses and ensure we're within budget. I'll also provide regular financial updates.
I'll oversee the technical aspect and ensure the network setup meets our requirements. I'll also conduct thorough testing and quality assurance.
Great, let's work together to make this project a success. I'm confident that with our combined effort, we'll achieve our goals.
I'm looking forward to working with everyone. Let's make it happen.
I'll send you a budget report by the end of the week. Let's review it together.
Sounds good. I'll schedule a meeting with the test team to discuss the implementation plan.
Let's keep the momentum going. I'm excited to see the final result.
Me too, boss. I'll keep everyone updated on the progress.